Hi guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today's video, I am going to make Soup Joumou under $20. For those of you guys who's interested on eating Soup Joumou this year and not have the money to make it, my challenge this year is to cook Soup Joumou under $20. I am taking you guys to the store with me and show you guys what I buy, how much I buy it, and I will come back home and make it and show you guys how to make it. Now, for those of you guys who doesn't know what Soup Joumou is, it is a Haitian dish. It is a soup that all Haitian make every 1st of January. I am going to make it under $20. Can we do it? I don't know. I'm just going to the store and see. If you guys interested on seeing it, stay tuned. And also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe right now so you don't miss on my future videos. What I am going to show you guys is some of the ingredients that I do have. Check your fridge right now and see what ingredients you already have so you don't spend more money. I already have some right now laid down over there. I am about to show you guys. We have cabbage, celery, carrot, thyme. We also have some parsley. So I am going to the store. Of course, you probably already have your seasoning. It's just the basic, like what the meat, the legume and stuff like that you need. So let's just go to the store and let's see. Can I spend $20 to make Soup Joumou? Oh, look at my little doggy. Yeah, I have a new dog, you guys. If you want to see the vlog, the link will be down below. And let's go to the store. I don't even know which one to pick. Okay, we're gonna get two just in case this doesn't work. So this is about $4 for both. The plantains are $4. So we're getting 4. 4 plantain for $1. We don't even have to get 4. We can just get 2 to save us some money. Just 2 for 50 cents. We need this right here, you guys. This is how they look. And they're like 99 cents for each. So we're taking 1. And over here we have turnip. I'm getting the smallest one they have. I don't know how much this is going to cost me, but we're getting this one because it's small. We also getting some white yam. They're $1.69 per pound, so I'm getting something small because I don't know, something like this. That will definitely do. Over here we have potatoes for 79 cents per pound, so we're getting the smallest one they have, which is this one. Okay guys, we also need some of this, some type of spaghetti. It's really small. I don't see any smaller than that size, so I'm getting this one. This is how they look. They're really tiny spaghettis. You can also use this one, but I'm not using it because we're trying to keep this under $20, remember? Alrighty, now we're at the beef section. Of course, you need your meat. You cannot make soup without meat. So we have one here for $2 something. We also have this right here for $5. And we also have this right here, which looks bigger, for $2.03. So I am getting this one for $2.03. Okay. All right, guys, we're checking out really quickly. These are the ingredients, and I have some at home, so I don't need too much. Okay. We're at $12.71. And $15.07 is the price. Alright, this is my meat. I am using beef for the soup. As you guys can see, I am going to add some epis on there, and as well as some creole seasoning, half a cube of maggi, and also I will be adding salt on there and mix it up together. Now I will be adding a little bit of sour orange juice in there, and then we're going to mix it up together. Now once we're done mixing it well together, we're going to cover it and put it in the fridge for about 1 hour to 2 hours, or you can leave it overnight if you like. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, this is about 2 hours later. We're going to cook the meat. Now I am going to make the sauce separate and then pour it in the soup. That's how I've been doing it. It works for me, so yeah. I am going to add a little bit of tomato paste in there, as well as some parsley and thyme, and then cover it and let it cook. We're not going to let it cook fully cook. We're just going to cook it for maybe 70% cook, okay, because it's going to boil some more in the soup. We're going to let the water dry and then we'll braise the beef. For now, we're moving on to the pumpkin. I have two different kind of pumpkin, as you guys can see here. One looks really orangey, one looked very light. I'm guessing it wasn't fully ready. This right here is white yam. Make sure you rub it with some lime when you're cleaning it so it's not slimy. That's one tip I'm gonna give you guys. And also we have, what else? We have some potatoes, as well as some, what do you call it? Green plantain. I also have some green plantain here. I cut them really small because I do not want my soup to take too long to cook, so I cut them very small. Okay, my hard veggies, I cut them really small. Now moving on, I am adding all my hard veggies in there. We're going to boil the hard veggies first. I just added some water, cover it, and let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I will add my soft veggies in there, which is the cabbage, the rest of the soft veggies basically. All right. Now moving on to the beef, I am going to add a little bit of oil. I added off camera, or butter. I added it right there, not off camera. I did add some oil as well so it didn't burn. But we're going to braise the beef a little bit until we have a nice little crispy golden color on it, because you don't want it to be white, and you know, you want to have some color, some crispiness to it. Not crispy, but you guys know what I'm saying. That color, that little, it's not burnt, but you know. And then I am going to add a little bit of water in there just to make a nice sauce once you're done basically fry it. And basically this is the sauce. Just cover it, put it on the side, and move on to the next step. Now this is my hard veggies. As you guys can see, they're almost done. They're not fully done yet. Now I'm adding the soft veggies. All the ingredients will be down below, guys, so do not be alarmed. The exact name will be down below. Now I am going to cover it with a foil so all my veggies can be nice and cooked and, you know, soft. So once it is done boiling, everything is nice and soft, not fully nice and soft. Some of the veggies that I cut really small was already, you know, starting to get mushy. I had to take some of them out. But what I am doing now is remove my pumpkin, because we're going to mash the pumpkin on the side. So I am going to remove it, and as well as my potatoes and other stuff that are starting to feel like mushy a little. Okay, now I am using the back of the spoons just to mash the pumpkin, because they are already soft, nice and soft. Just mash them just like I'm doing right now. Okay, now you're going to use some hot water. Do not use cold water. Use some microwave hot water. Add your pumpkin in there and just pour it on there so you can get that nice orangey, I don't know, yellow color, just like I am doing now. I am pouring hot water in my strainer. Okay, and my pumpkin is in there as well. Once it is done, it should look like this, nice and yellow. And now I am just going to add my sauce in there. I am so sorry guys, my hand was all over the camera. I need to place my camera at a different angle next time. I promise I will do it. Now I just added the sauce, the gravy that I made earlier. I added in there. Just give it a quick stir. Now is the time to taste it for your salt, if it has enough seasoning. So I am going to add more seasoning, because as you guys can see, I didn't add any seasoning earlier when I was boiling the veggies. So I added Maggi, Creole seasoning, and a whole scotch bonnet pepper. Now I am adding my little, I don't know what you call it, vermicell is how they call it in Creole. So I am going to add that in there. And I did add some ground cloves in there as well, just to give it some nice flavor. And also add your salt if you need salt. And basically we're going to let this boil until it's nice and simmer. Well, not boil, you can let it simmer on low. Now I am going to add coconut milk. This is totally optional. You do not have to add coconut milk. It's just, I love coconut milk flavor. I just add that in there, as well as some salt. Cover it, let it simmer until it's nice and thick, or something like this. Nice and juicy. And this is basically the soup, you guys. It's so easy. A lot of people doesn't know it's easy, and we did achieve to make this soup under $20. I am so proud of myself. I came up with this idea. So if you're someone like me who's looking for a low budget soup, you can make this soup only under $20. Now this is only for me. That's why I chose that challenge. And this soup is the meaning of Haitian Independence Day. That's why we make it every 1st of January. I really truly hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you guys going to recreate this soup. And if you do not forget to send me pictures on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Be sure you are subscribed if you're new. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.